This is the Paderno pan from Canadian Tire for the Tested for Life in Canada series. It's a brand new pan. I cook in cast iron every day. I don't normally add oil, but since this is brand new, I'm going to in this case. It has a really interesting machined finish on the inside rather than a rough casting. So let's see how it does. I'm going to pause the video and bring it back when these are about ready to take out of the pan. These eggs are about done. I'm going to shut the gas off. Everything looks fantastic at this point. Let's see how they come out. Absolutely no stickage on the first one. The second one, I broke that yolk open, so it's going to stick where the yolk broke. But I think that did really well, considering it's a brand new pan that's never been used, and that's all coming straight off after it's had a chance to properly set. I'd say that's a big thumbs up. There's a view of the pan after I removed the rest of the egg that I managed to break my yolk on. Not used to working over a camera. Thank you.